Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. I have my top 5 fall fragrances that are clones or inspired by fragrances, okay? So if you are interested to see what those are, let's get into it. So these are cologne fragrances or inspired by fragrance that actually work. So let's get right into it. I have from the Dua brand, and this is Amberlicious, okay? And this fragrance is inspired by the Hermes fragrance of Ombre Nagil, okay? This fragrance is so good. If you enjoy an amber, kind of musk vanilla type of scent, honey and spice, if you enjoy that type of fragrance, you would love this, okay? I love this down. This absolutely, I smell it, sorry. But this absolutely just makes me smile, especially for the fall season. The spice, the honeyness, so it gives you sweetness in this, but it just reminds me of fall and the warm spiciness of it all that I like to enjoy in that, and it's sweet. So I adore this down. Again, this is Amberlicious, so if you like a good amber, warm, spicy fragrance, I would absolutely recommend you get the Dua brand. This is amazing. And this feels and smells like a luxury, high dollar price fragrance. And you're only getting it for $55. And sometimes they have a deal, you might get it for $20, okay? This is so good. Highly would recommend you get your hands and coins on this fragrance if you're looking for something warm and spicy for the fall season. Next up on this list for the fall season that has cinnamon, nutmeg. This is so good. I believe it also has dates and praline. Now, this fragrance is very controversial. Like, I feel like it gives me something, but you might not think it, which is fine. But Camera from Latafa, I feel like this gives me a little trinkle of Angel Share from Killian. I'm sorry, I do. Some people like, no, you're so far off. No, like, I feel like they can be cousins. I don't feel like they're like a dupe, but I feel like they can be close cousins. They are first cousins, absolutely. But this is such a great fall fragrance, especially having a cinnamon, nutmeg, dates type of note, profile, warm, spicy, all the things. This is so good, okay? And it lasts and lasts and lasts. I just had to spray it on me. And it's sweet, and it's refreshing, and it's not like sticky sweet where you just feel off put by it or that it's too cloying. It also gives this fresh spiciness, kind of like a apple note in the background, which there's no apple in this, but it gives you that type of apple pie type of scent, in my opinion, which I feel like Angel Share gives me the same vibe, like this apple la mode. It's just so good. I love this cinnamon, love this nutmeg type of fragrance. It is very good, gives me fall vibes. There's so many fans of this fragrance. Like, I don't see you wanting a fall fragrance and not liking this. Like, this is fall. To me, this is fall in a bottle. It's so good, sweet, warm, refreshing, delicious. It's so good. I love Calm Down from Latafa. And yeah, to me, this gives me my top fragrance, kind of cologne type of fragrance. Yeah, this is a good one. Next up, of course, it had to be on this, my Spirituise Double Vanille Cologne Replica. And this is from Fragrance World. This is Vanilla So Sweet. I've talked about this down. I mean, come on. If you have not heard me talk about this, like, you might be new, which is fine. But I love this. You talk about a sweet vanilla, me in a bottle for the fall. Like, this is me in a bottle. But this is Spiritueuse Double Vanille. This is that replica of that fragrance. This is so good. Scrumptious, delicious, sweet vanilla. If you're looking for a delicious sweet vanilla, look no further. Get you this bad boy, okay? And this is tomato from that, from the original fragrance. Like, yeah. If I could eat this, I would. This is so good. Highly would recommend you get this. And the price is chef's kiss. So good. Again, a sweet vanilla, delicious fragrance. If you're looking for any of that, you need this. You need this fragrance in your life. Find it. Moving on. Next up, I just talked about this in depth, so catch up on my last video, but this fragrance, Tabac, this is the replica of Dior's Tabacular. I can never say that name, but I love this more, right? And again, for the coins of it all, I'm not spending that money. I said it before, I'm not spending that money for okay fragrance, but I was going to spend this funds for okay fragrance. And again, I normally pair this with a sweeter fragrance. I'm not normally wearing this alone. I could, but I don't normally wear this alone. Definitely is a pairing, but I love this tobacco fragrance. And if you're looking for something that is a tobacco fragrance, this is heavier, this is smoky, right? But if you're looking for something like that, and men, I think you would, this is men all day, men down, okay? Bros, if you're looking for a fragrance and you want a tobacco heavier, smokier type of smell, you all day, right? You in a bottle. But ladies, if you like a unisex type of fragrance and you like that type of note profile, highly would recommend. This is so good. Had to be on my top fragrance clones for the fall season. Absolutely, toodalutely. Like this is Tabacular. They might have put some notes that makes it a little bit more pleasing, but tomato. And last but certainly not least, you knew it had to be on here. Like, I cannot have a clone video and not mention this. That would actually, you would probably lock me up. Like, that would be a crime. Extra, I know, but that would be a crime. I've talked about this down. I love the replica version. I even love the original. But if you cannot get your coinage to gather and get the original, gather your coins for the cheaper version, right? The more economical or economically correct version, I should say. Vintage Radio. Hello. You knew. From Lattafa, you knew. Like, this is a replica of Initio's Paragon, and it is spot on. Spot on. Tomato. What's the difference? Who's going to know the difference? I mean, you ain't got to fake the funk, but so, like, who cares? Ooh. If you're looking for an aromatic, sweeter aromatic, oh, it's so fresh. It's so good. Like, if you're looking for a lavender fragrance that turns heads, speechless. I love this. You all know I love this down. I love Vintage Radio down. If I run out of this, I would repurchase this. This is probably one of my top repurchases in my Middle Eastern collection. Top repurchase. Absolutely. Don't even have to think about it. Great fragrance, okay? A great replica of a fragrance as well, okay? Well worth it. It's good, okay? It's good, and it's the same. It's the same. Lattafa, to me, is one of the houses or fragrance houses that does replica fragrances well. Okay, whoever's nose is nosing the other fragrance comparison to, their nose is nosed. It's the nose. Like, it's so good. This is so amazing. Spot on to Initio's Paragon. Highly would recommend you get this. I talk about it all the time. So this is not the last time you will see this. I talk about it quite a bit on this channel. I would highly recommend Vintage Radio from Lattafa. Well, that's all, family. For my top 5 fall fragrances that are clones or replica, okay? And these fragrances absolutely work, okay? So, fam, let me know. Do you have any clone or replica fragrances that really work during the fall season? Let me know. Comment down below. Hit me up. I would love to know your suggestions, okay? Well, make sure you subscribe. Thumbs up this content if you enjoy it, all right? And make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.